All right, guys, we're back, and now
there.
Stefan has his own little exercise again that he can do, and I'm sure you will do good. But yeah, I have a bit of a bonus challenge
Don't put the
in
pressure on, man.
Yeah.
Okay, so as Max already said, just read it carefully because Max famous for laying out traps, little traps. Okay, create a function superheroes that takes an array of strings named hero list as its parameter. All right, this
Just again, I would suggest just read everything, and then you
really.
can get like a good overview of it.
I already wanted to do that, but okay.
I know, that's why I suggested it.
Go back. Okay, create a function. Takes an array, hero list as its parameter. Inside the function. Okay. Create a for loop, which loops over the hero list array and prints each entry to the console. So far, so good. I do remember that we did that last time. Doesn't mean I remember how to actually write the code, but hey, we get to that. Outside the function, create the array DC heroes. Why DC? I don't have my cap with me. Oh, Marvel Comics. With your favorite DC heroes. Superman, Batman. Oh, okay, they're great. Outside the function, create the array Marvel heroes with your favorite Marvel heroes. Thor, of course. And they're really actually my both favorite.
Oh, really?
They really
Did I get
are.
that right?
Yeah.
Nice.
But that's a movie. That's a YouTube video for another time. Call the function twice. Okay, well, I will see which each array as the argument, and that's it.
Yeah.
I love the last part, and that's it. Can we just skip to, and that's it?
Nope, unfortunately
No?
not.
Okay. I'm not sitting on the hot seat, Moritz.
He is. You're very
Yes,
right.
I am. Okay. I forgot. Okay, create a function. Let's just start with the easy thing. Okay. Let's just delete all the stuff from last time. Save that. Okay, create a function. Let's do that. No, I don't have to write it out, right? Funct is... No? I'm looking at you, just not.
Maybe try to Google it.
I don't want to Google it. Just tell me.
Nope.
I can't Google everything. I'm just trying.
You can just maybe Google for TypeScript function syntax, and I can help you there.
Don't make me do it.
That's part of the job.
Is it? Do you use Google a lot?
Every day, so many times, and
Really?
every single developer does. Maybe Moritz can support me on that one. That's just part of the job. Because there's so many things you would have to remember that you just wouldn't be able to.
In Python, that's the first thing we're getting in. No one asked me about TypeScript because everybody who's using TypeScript knows how to write a function, so I don't have to Google it. I don't want to do that because this is not helping me. It's really function. Really?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, I really thought it would be something else. It's called what? Superheroes? No, sorry. I hope I don't make you sick with swiping.
Look, if you look at chat for 1 second, Moritz agrees
Is
with
Moritz
me.
writing something? Let's take a look. Google is your friend. Developers are some of the best Googlers. But actually, and this goes out to Moritz as well, do you use ChatGPT nowadays?
I personally don't use it that much because, I don't know, sometimes stuff is so specific that ChatGPT doesn't really give me a good answer or something I'm looking for. But
Do you
sometimes
use-
for like more general stuff, it's like a good replacement for Google. But like I said, I don't really use it so much.
Okay. Did you try GPT-4 already?
Yeah.
Okay, so and still doesn't help.
It's not that it doesn't help. It's just like,
I mean,
yeah, it's like for some of the problems that we're using, like if it's very specific to frameworks and to like a specific problem, it's also very tedious to describe it. It's like a bit difficult, I would say.
yes. Okay. So you think you have to learn how to talk to
Yeah, I think
AI
like
bots like that?
that's also part of it, just getting used to it.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I mean, I saw the video a couple of days ago that GPT is going to allow to have it access to the actual internet.
Mhm.
So I think this might change things up right now. Anyway, so we again, I created a function called superheroes. Heroes, yes, I did. That takes an array of strings named hero list as its parameters go into there,
Yes, very good.
and an array of strings named hero list.
No.
I wrote it wrong. Sorry.
Yeah, very good.
But this is an array. This is just
That's just the name of the variable
Yeah.
right now. The name of the parameter.
I actually don't know what you mean with that takes an array as its parameter.
So go back to, you have another tab open, no? On the browser.
You mean Google?
Yeah, right there,
No,
the TypeScript one.
Yeah.
So what if you look at the first code they provide?
Yeah, function,
Yeah.
some name, XY.
Yeah, they have like the code here, and it's pretty much anonymous functions, what we call them.
JavaScript,
It
by the
doesn't
way.
tell you what type it is. So how do we declare types in TypeScript?
Yeah, because it's JavaScript,
Yeah.
by the way.
If
so
you
so
scroll,
much for Google. Yeah, TypeScript.
okay, but maybe if you would scroll down and not just take the very first thing on the website.
Maybe not.
Look, right here. So that's how we do it in TypeScript.
Okay.
Yeah.
But still, maybe I don't know what you mean with that takes an array. Maybe I just don't understand the question here.
If again, sorry, if you go back to the other tab, and there's a function called add,
Yes.
and it takes two parameters, x and y.
Oh, that's what takes mean. See, that's what I meant. I
Yeah.
did not. Okay, so but that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to have this array of strings named hero list.
Okay, go back to the TypeScript one, to the TypeScript tab. Sorry.
I wanted to, but I just didn't use my fingers.
So look at how parameters are declared there. What are they doing?
There they have x, that's a number, and y, that's a number.
Yeah, and you're just saying, basically in your code, you're just saying x.
Yes. But I want to declare an array there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't want to declare an array. You want to say that this is
an array.
This has to be the type string array.
Oh, okay. So
in the add function on your screen.
Oh, that's type. This I totally missed that. Array is just a type, like string. No.
Yeah.
Maybe we just start from the very beginning. Just roll it back to the first lesson.
So right now you can see that they said that in the x, this x is of type number.
Yes.
And if you go back to your code.
Yeah, I wanted to have that array.
What's the very first thing they're doing after saying the name of the variable, which is x in this case?
I wanted to declare it as a string.
Yeah. Then how do you do it? How do you declare it as a string? Yeah. For TypeScript, S is small, not a capital one.
Sorry.
Lowercase, yeah. No problem.
What's the difference between that and that?
That's just a different typing. Like that's an interface, and we don't want to use that.
Okay.
And to make that string, right now that's just a string and not a
Yes.
string of an array of strings.
Yes.
So what we do is we go move your cursor to the G,
To the what?
to the G at the end of string, and type in the curly braces. Sorry, not the curly, the square braces, my bad. Yeah, that's an array of strings.
My head just makes duh. That's what I meant beforehand. You know, I do remember that we talked about it, but I have no idea how the language is actually spoken. Okay.
Yeah, that's
so just,
why I gave you the challenge to Google it. That's
I don't want, you my Google. So just putting the brackets in here just makes that an array.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I have to remember.
Yeah.
And I didn't remember that. And I'm pretty sure if we just take a look at the other video, that will just be, you will just say that. This is the way you declare.
I did, yes.
Yeah, of course you did. And I just didn't remember. I have to learn my vocabulary more often.
That's all right.
Okay. So now I do have an array.
Yeah.
It takes, it's of the type string.
Yeah.
And it's called hero list.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we got nothing. So I just did that. Yeah, interesting. Inside the function. Okay, let's do it by the step by step. Inside the function is this.
Yeah.
But I learned this goes up here, right?
Yes.
Yes. Sorry. So now we're inside the function. We're doing this. Create a for loop with which loops over the hero list and prints each entry to the console. Well, we haven't any entry in. There's nothing in.
But that's just hypothetical because you have the hero list.
So for.
Round braces.
The round, right?
No.
Oh.
No, was right. I said round, not wrong. Sorry.
Yeah, it's just this happens if you don't hit the shift key. Okay, for. Okay, what was syntax? I don't want to Google it because I think I remember it.
Google it.
Damn. Yeah, but what I'm Googling. How Google, okay. Google is my friend. Hello, friend. Hello, Google, my old friend. For loop. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, there you go.
No, I don't. F it. So. Oh, let one. Yeah. Okay, I forgot the let. Yeah, no, it's. So let one. Now. One. What am I doing? I want to go home. I did that. Okay, yeah.
Nice.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Create a for loop which loops over the hero list array and prints each entry to the console. Okay. And as a learned scope, we have to do this inside. right?
Yeah.
So console
Wait.
log.
Go back. Remove what you just did. Yeah. And now go back to your browser. And to the TypeScript tab, sorry. What are you forgetting? I can give you a hint.
No, don't.
Okay. Yeah, very good. Nice.
Print each entry. Do I need the... Yeah, I do need that.
So the semicolons are in most cases optional in TypeScript. So right now you could also remove it. Just like a bit of preference thing. If you run this code now, what happens?
Nothing.
Nothing. Because the thing is that why do you have in your for loop, why did you declare I smaller than 0?
Because that's what stands here.
No, it's not.
Yes, it does. Let I be 0.
No, I mean after that, I said the smaller, the...
Oh, I don't know.
The smaller, yeah, but why did you choose 0 on the right side of your cursor?
Oh, yeah, right. Bigger. Sorry.
No, it was correct.
Okay.
It was correct. But why 0? Where did you get the 0 from?
Because the array starts with 0. That's what I learned.
Right now, what you're saying is I is 0, and if the I is smaller than 0, then stop. So basically the for loop will never run.
Yes.
If you remove the 0 on the right of your cursor and add, for example, a 3, right, so this for loop would run 3 times.
Yeah.
If there's a 0, then it will run 0 times.
Yes. But we have nothing in the array, so...
How do you know?
Because I didn't put anything into it.
No. So see,
No.
the way that this works is that hero list is an abstract. How would you call this superheroes function? If you keep, let's go back to the exercise, and you can keep going, because we're on the next bullet, like this one right here. You can continue here.
Okay. Also the function create the array DC heroes. Genau. This just looks...
What are you forgetting in front? You have to add the const.
Oh.
Yeah.
DC heroes? Yeah. What's your favorite DC heroes?
No.
No?
No. That's just a type. You can't add anything in the type. So remove that.
What? Everything?
No, just high commas.
Oh, okay. So what now?
Move your cursor one to the right.
Huh?
And then equals. And then again, the square braces. And inside those square braces, you can do what you
Okay,
just did.
so that's the syntax. You have to declare it, and this just tells me it's an array with strings.
Yes.
And to put something into that, I have to. Yeah, okay, makes sense. Batman definitely is one of my. Was it? Do I need a comma?
Yes,
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Good job.
What?
Nice.
I do have to think. Superman is definitely not one of my. Yeah, it doesn't care.
Maybe the Flash, Green
No.
Arrow.
Green. No. Come on, chat. Some superheroes here.
Yeah. 1 second, guys.
I just had to think about some superheroes.
Yeah, so
I actually don't know many. Deadpool is not DC. Groot isn't DC also.
yeah,
Or it's,
both are Marvel, I think. But Green Lantern is. Green Lantern
yeah,
is.
but Green Lantern is just. I don't know.
Okay, yeah, so let's just keep it at Batman and Superman, whatever.
Joker. Well, he's not a superhero, but yeah, let's just go with Green Lantern. Green Lantern. Do we need more?
No, that's
No.
good.
Thank God. Yeah, the same goes with was it just Marvel? It was Marvel, yeah. Marvel Heroes. And this is how you declare an array. This is how you, and this is how you assign, what's in the array. So definitely Thor, he's one of the greatest ever. Definitely the Hulk. Because he's always angry. And yeah, Hawkeye. He's the best. Because he's just like Batman without the money.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's continue then.
And he sees super well. That's okay. Outside the function. No, we did that. I'm sorry. Did you choose the superheroes because of the emoji?
Oh yeah, absolutely, I did.
Okay, call the function twice. Call the which one? Oh, the superhero function with each array as the argument. Come. Let's. There we are.
Okay.
Okay.
Good point from Marketing Rocks. Maybe we should add some women in there as well. So for DC,
Wonder
maybe.
Woman. Here we go. I totally forgot about Wonder Woman.
And then after.
I'm sorry, Hussein, I got ya. It's his favorite hero.
And maybe after Hawkeye, you can add another item called Marvel, Captain Marvel, for example. I don't know. Yes, there we go.
No, wait a second. Because I saw this last time on. I like the TV show, Miss Marvel.
All right.
Did you see it?
I didn't yet, no.
Do it. It's great.
Nice. Right.
All right.
Back to the exercise?
Yeah. Call the function twice. Call the function twice. Why?
I mean, just that might be a bit confusing. I just realized. So just call the function with, for example, DC heroes as an argument, and then again with Marvel heroes as an argument. That's what I meant. How do you call a function? Do you remember?
No, but I asked Google.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So in our example, how do they do it? This is the function. And how do they call the function in the line below? No, in the line where you, yeah, this one. That's how they call it. So if you say super
heroes.
Yeah. And then the round braces.
Thank you.
Now it will complain. If you hover over it, maybe it can give you a bit of a hint. So an argument for heroes list was not provided.
Yeah, I have to put something in here.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Mm-hmm.
Can I just call this?
Yeah.
Is this enough? Or
yeah. No, absolutely.
DC heroes.
You're missing an E after the O. Yeah, there you go. So if you save and run now.
Wait a second.
Oh, yeah, okay. And then do the same thing again for Marvel Heroes.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I made basically.
Okay, twice. Gotcha. Oops, no, not inside here. Inside, not outside here, outside. Okay, save again. Am I still inside? No, I'm not.
You have to go cd ... sorry, spaces between the dots in the cd space and then ... Yeah. And then, yes. Well,
Okay.
I will move out of the way. Yeah. So try to run that. And then this is your output. And why is this your output?
Let's see. I get the 0. Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't
you
see
can,
first 0. Okay.
You can move it up a bit, the terminal with your
Yeah.
mouse, so we can see better.
Wanted to do it bigger so everyone can see what I'm writing. That's what I said. I'm getting the 0 for the first for the second array, but I didn't know why there would start with a 1. So it gives me the index numbers of the array.
No.
No, but it's 0, 1, 2. Oh no, of course not. I forgot totally about the function. It's because of this.
Mm-hmm.
As long as for every round I is smaller than 3, which it is because it's 0, print it, and it's incremented to 1, so it's 1, print it, it's 2, print it, it's 3, don't print it, we're finished. Next function, it goes into Marvel Heroes, same thing, 0, 1, 2. It's just does what I'm telling it, just print. Yeah.
You're just printing the I, exactly, but you want to print
the I want to print the I want to print this, but it actually doesn't say that. You just say call the function. Mm-hmm. I'm do calling the function. So, and that's it.
No, because you did something else wrong.
Oh, I knew there was something wrong. Just 20 minutes ago when you did like, and just said, keep on going. And I was too afraid to ask. Okay, where did I make a mistake? But we're talking about this, right? About the function itself. Yeah.
Not the function, but the for loop specifically. The function is...
Right. This one is, we're talking about just this.
No.
And this.
Yes. So first of all, the console log is absolutely wrong. That's like not what you want to do. Let's focus on that first. So what are you doing right now? That you're not considering the hero list at all?
Yeah. I'm just printing out.
You're just printing out the number I.
Yeah.
And how did we access the hero list? We talked extensively about it.
Yeah, but this was 10 minutes ago. I already forgot.
Okay, so we removed the I.
Yeah, I just want to say this is correct still, right?
The console log is correct.
Yeah,
just
because
what's
you said
inside.
the console log is what's inside. That's wrong. And this also, of course, right?
You just leave the 3 for now.
Okay.
We will look at it later. Just one thing at a time. Okay. So
I want to
you're still working with the hero list.
yes.
Yeah. So what's the hero list? What's in just type
It's
hero
just
list.
an array.
Just type hero list inside the console log.
Okay. Hero list.
Okay, and then add the square braces. And inside the square braces, add the I. And that's it. If you run the code, I will make some space. What's still wrong?
Nothing, because I'm getting.
Are you?
Yes.
Okay, let's look at the Marvel heroes. What's inside the Marvel heroes? Thor, the Hulk, Hawkeye, and Miss Marvel.
We can just do this.
Run it again. No, it says undefined.
Oh, of course, because that's what I said. This one, we have to change this one, right?
Yeah.
And we have to. This was the length
Yes.
of the array.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do we do it?
Something dot length.
And what's the something?
I would say hero list.
Yeah.
I have no idea. Don't hero list. Oops. And you don't need that length.
If you save and run it again.
Oops.
And that's it. Well done. That's the exercise.
Okay, I'm still not. I didn't really wrap my head around that one, to be honest. It's a lot to take in.
Yeah.
It's a lot to learn. There's so many vocabularies, and then you have to. Okay, I mean, I get this. Just you call a function. I still get this. I don't get. I get this in itself, but not why this is happening, to be honest.
Okay, could you give me the cable, and then I will
the cable.
I will show you on my screen. So what's happening here?
Okay, may I just try to spit out everything that's in my head? So we have a function called superheroes, and this is the way I'm thinking. Down at the bottom, line 9 and 10, we are calling this function with one time DC heroes, one time Marvel heroes, and that we declared that as a constant, just line 7 and 8. It's, oh, wait a second. You didn't, okay. You didn't declare it, you didn't put string behind DC heroes, because you don't have to, because inside the array it's obviously R strings. Okay, got it.
It tells me that on my own when I have
so this was just not necessary.
Yeah.
Because I did that. Okay. Okay. This is where I got lost before. Okay, understood. So you're having a variable called DC heroes, an array variable, and you put several things in it, and so far so good. The function itself, superheroes, and this is where it breaks for me. The thing with the hero list, and I just don't get it.
Okay. Yeah,
I get the for loop again.
I know. Let me explain.
Yeah.
That's what I was about to do. So let's just, for 1 second, let's just look at, let's comment this out. Let's just look at Marvel heroes, right? Only Marvel heroes exist. This is my array. Basically what I'm saying is I could remove this and put this in here. This is the same, right?
Yeah.
That makes sense to you. And what also happens here is that instead of saying this, instead of doing this, I could also do
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is.
Do you understand?
Yes, this is where.
So basically what I'm saying here is that heroes list is whatever this right here is.
Yes.
So this is something that can change. Here it's this. If I use DC heroes, then instead of Thor, Iron Man, it's Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman.
Mm-hmm.
Does that make more sense now? So this
function.
function.
It was really just the thing with the hero list.
Yeah.
I think it was the first the first task you gave me.
Yeah. So So let's if we step back. So if I say num is of type number, I have this completely new. And I just say console.log num.
Mm-hmm.
If I call this test with 5, then it will log 5 to the console.
Yeah.
If I call this test with 3, then it will log 3 to the console. If I call it with whatever this number is, then it will log whatever this. Yeah. So
yeah,
that's basically what happens here. This is just a different way of saying hero list is a variable. So hero list, that's why when you had 3 before, that would always only print the first 3. But if I have 4, then...
As I said, for me, it was very obvious that I do have to write something else just instead of this 3. For me, it was the hero list. Just...
No.
I couldn't figure out why I would need that. And yeah, that's all. I really have to do these things over and over. Just at this level, still we're very at beginner's level. It just doesn't help. Just wants to see it and then just do it again. I have to do it again and again and again, and just to make sure it keeps sticking in my head. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just.
Ooh. I would say this would be the first exercise I didn't quite get. Yeah.
No. Just
still a handful for me. Just to wrap it. Yeah. Okay.
Just something that you can maybe practice at home a bit. Look at some little exercises.
What I mean. I really have to do that because we're now at a point. I just have to repeat more of those tasks. Yeah.
That's just how it always is. Practice makes perfect.
Definitely. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, thanks.
All right. Then
I would love to say I learned something here, which in some case I did, but today
I
this
hope you
wasn't.
did, yeah.
Yeah, but today this wasn't enough. This was just.
I mean, maybe you can watch the video again once it's out on YouTube.
Oh, I
And,
actually do that every time
nice.
I'm preparing for
Right.
a stream, because the while loop I get, the for loop I get, it was just the first thing I just missed. Yep.
All right. Great. Then
Thank you.
see you next time, guys.
Yep.
Thanks for watching.